monsoon-like rainy situation in Mapusa here on 16th of October at 8:30 p.m. Heavy rainfall, high intensity. It has started 15 minutes back. It's raining continuously. There was like some thunderstorm, lightning, thunder half an hour back. Then there was a lull, and then it started again, and it's quite interesting that we are having conditions like June when monsoon arrives in Goa. Exactly same conditions. The streams of rain are falling in sort of a rhythm. You can watch them. Very interesting rhythm.